How to start a Squarespace trial. In order to do that, first head over to squarespace.com and from in there you should be able to see in here this. Click on the Get Started option right here. As you can see, you will have your free website trial with the credit card required. Click onto this Get Started, and after that, you should be able to see in here the website templates that you can actually utilize. So you have in here this. This will ask for your actual site, so just input right here the topic of your site. For example, in this case, let's choose cosmetics, and it will give you in here some suggestions. So I'll choose in here makeup and cosmetics option, then click on next. You can choose in here what you want your website to do. I'll choose in here sell products and promote a physical business. I can also choose send invoices. Now click on finish option, and after that, this will set things up for us. Now this should be able to open the Blueprint AI, so just wait for this. From in there, you just need to input right here your site title. So for example, let's put in here Sephora. And then in here, just input right here the brand personality that you wish to want. Let's choose professional and click on next. After that, this will load the AI generated content for us. Choosing here how you actually want to build your website, you can add intro section, product section, services section, and so well as some more. Headering, click on next, and after that, you can just choosing here the pages that you want to add to your site. So once you have successfully created your account through this page, you can actually head over and start your trial. Do take note that it's only a 14-day trial, and if you wish to actually restore your website, you need to subscribe to a trial of it. Let me head over and show you in here an example. So as you can see, if your trial has expired, you won't be able to access your account. So you just need to head over and subscribe for a trial or subscribe for a plan in order to retrieve your site once you have done with our actual 14-day trial. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.